Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Dudene again from KOFFI NOIR, and today I have an unboxing for you guys. In the meantime, I want to thank you guys for supporting our YouTube channel and these unboxings. It's a great way for me to connect with y'all and for y'all to connect with the brand. Please like, share, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's dive right into this unboxing. I'm super excited to talk about this particular shoe. Recently, over the last several months, we've realized that this particular shoe has become really popular, and quite frankly, it makes sense. And the shoe that I'm talking about from KOFFI NOIR is our Wayne Tassel Loafer. We've seen folks put different types of soles, choose some really funky colors, take advantage of being able to fully customize the shoe to fit their needs. Let's take a look at the shoe. Boom. As you guys can see, we got our KOFFI NOIR faux suede bag. Also, we have our KOFFI NOIR shoe horn. Comes with all of your shoes. And then boom, let's see the goods. Bam, our KOFFI NOIR Wayne Wedge. So you guys can see the details here. Look at that. Goodyear welted, right? This one actually has a storm welt on it. These shoes can be resold multiple times because they are Goodyear welted. You can see the patina on top. We have this full grain, pebble grain tassel loafers in brown there just to complete the full aesthetic of the camouflage. And then of course my favorite part of the shoe, which is this purple or what we call lilac lining, as you guys can see here. KOFFI NOIR. These come with a Vibram sole. Most luxury brands, boutiques, just shoe companies in general, this is a really high grade, high quality leather. Vibram makes, of course, different types of leather soles. They make rubber soles, even this foam sole right here that's on the Wayne Loafer, as you can see here. I know you guys have seen this shoe before. I've done a review on this shoe. If you go to the channel, you will see the video. I did a full unboxing on these, but yeah, I haven't seen no one make this one in particular. I have different types of camo that are available, more of the lighter browns, blue. I think I have a gray and white, and I have like a red one. Folks have done those, but so I like how they turned out, as you guys can see here. Man, I just want y'all to, I really get excited because I want you guys to see the details and the quality from the stitching all the way down. This is a full leather shoe, by the way. So everything on here is leather, even in the lining. I do want to make a disclaimer. If you do order any of our shoes with color lining, you want to be mindful of the type of socks that you wear because the dye can bleed into your socks. So avoid white socks or any light color socks. Try to wear some darker socks or socks that have some level of color in it so it's not super pronounced when you pull your shoes off. In the comment section, let me know what you guys think of this camouflage Wayne Tassel Loafer. Yes. All right, so that's been our unboxing today. If you guys are interested, again, in purchasing a pair of shoes from us, head over to KOFFINOIR.com. If you want to make a custom order or you have a request, please email us at info@KOFFINOIR.com, and we'll get back to you within 24 hours. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.